As usual of me, I would just come, laughing. But the truth is, let's not believe this news that people are now saying. I just heard about it this morning. I'm like, oh no. And then in the group they were discussing it. I said no, because any words are said, any word that you speak concerning any situation, and you begin to rationalize it and then think about it, that becomes a reality. Please, the man came up with a story and says, well, you can't please a woman can never be happy because nothing will ever make her happy. And he began to give tangible reason. And one of the reasons he gave is that Adam, Eve was given to Adam. Adam has Eve as a wife, and in a garden where everything is there, everything. Adam was not cheating because there was no woman even for him to cheat with. Blah blah blah, so many stories here and there. It sounds quite interesting, but let's look at it. That Adam was busy going to work and she was busy listening to the serpent, that is the devil himself, that was giving us suggestions and ideas what to do. So it was like the women don't even listen, that when their husband tells them something, they don't do what's on their mind. At the end of the day, it landed them into so many troubles that you can never please a woman. That even looking, this person was even trying to judge it from the Bible. Some women are just quick to take actions without even involving their husbands, and every time they have one complaint or the other to give, they will not allow the man to rest. They'll say there's this one, there's no that one. If the man is running away from the home, it's because the woman is nagging. So many stories, Of course, the women are the ones that are closer to, the children are closer to because the mothers are often at home. And then you see the children always running back to so you see the children always running back to their mother to tell them one thing or the other that has happened, that in school or wherever or whatever hot. And then before the man will come back from work, the children have all gone and slept or something. And of course they might not even remember all those things, but you see the woman that will have to want to relate, and in her innocence to get solution, she wants to relate the story back to the man. But you see here, the man now, everyone now feels that why do you have to bother the man over this, why do you have to bother the man? Meanwhile, it's the concern of the children. So we say women are actually the managers of home, and then a manager sees every nitty-gritty, you understand, that the man cannot see. A woman is security conscious. She wants to make sure that everything is in order. And then you coming as a man and deciding on your own that the women, you can never please them. That's a wrong one. Why am I saying so? We have seen whereby a woman can think, and that I'm a woman, I know this. A woman can be thinking about 10 things at the same time. The man wants to think about only one thing, and it's like what? The woman can be thinking about the well-being of the home journey. You can be thinking about the man's business. He can be thinking about how she can manage whatever resources he brings. She's thinking about so many things. So why make a kind of conclusion that the woman is the trouble? If you made that conclusion, you always be afraid of trouble coming, and then because you're always afraid of trouble coming, you see yourself falling into same trouble. So I said to you, man, brace up, rise up, refuse this notion that you are trouble in your home. You are not. You are a blessing, and you are loved by many. You are loved by your in-laws. Oh, a woman that is the go-between between the husband, in-laws, and many other things. You are special. You are doing a great work. You are the strength, and I salute you. Don't be intimidated by anything or any happening around. You are going places. And how will I say? God bless you. And please watch on my video and share it.